Welcome to today's meditation to make your specific person call and think about you. Now let's begin. Find a quiet space and get comfortably seated or lie down. Take a deep breath in and slowly release it while gently closing your eyes. Another deep breath in and slowly release it, emptying your mind of all worries and concerns. Take another deep breath in and slowly release it out, letting go of any tension. With every inhale, cleanse your spirit and mind, and with every exhale, release all doubts and fears. You are about to connect to the divine inside of you. That part of you is perfect. That part of you is listening right now, waiting for your command. Now visualize your specific person. See their face, their eyes, their hair, their nose, their skin. See everything that makes them unique. Admire the mere sight of them. Feel yourself become one with their presence. This specific person is sitting in front of you and they are happy. Thoughts of you have been constantly running through their mind. They have been thinking about all the wonderful things you both share together. They can't stop thinking about how wonderful you are and how you make them so happy. All of these thoughts are making them want to call you and hear your voice. They are now ready to call you and tell you how much they have been thinking about you. They grab their phone. They are scrolling through it and find your name in their contacts. They click on your name. And now they hear the phone start to ring. Your specific person feels so happy to be calling you right now. Now imagine hearing your phone ring. You grab your phone and see that it is your specific person calling you. You tap on the green phone button to answer. You can now hear their voice. What are they saying to you? How do you feel right now as you are talking to them? Inhale deeply and feel whatever feeling you are feeling right now, deeply and passionately. Now say to yourself, thank you, universe. My specific person is thinking about me right now. You are full of love, joy, and happiness in this moment. Take a deep inhale to lock those feelings in. Now release it out and let it go into the universe. Now slowly open your eyes. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. Type, they are thinking about me right now to affirm that you have attracted back your specific person. And if you felt the power of this meditation, it is nothing compared to how you will feel when you completely release all of those blocks and limiting beliefs about you and your specific person. Decide today that the love between you and your specific person is irreplaceable and worth fighting for, and no negative beliefs are going to stand in your way. Get the Worship Me spell and banish these limiting beliefs from your mind by clicking the link in the description box below or heading to joybyjanell.com. I have thousands of 5-star reviews on my site so you can see how great my spells works. Bye, my loves. I will see you in the next meditation.